My name is Vyacheslav Sirbu, and I met Oleg when we were in need to sell the house. Well, we put the house on the market in spring or early summer 2015, and we liked about him because he was very, open-minded and very transparent, very helpful to sell the house, and he of course advertised it very well, and he was very helpful with different kind of advices for us and what can work for us and what cannot. So we got a lot of help, through him and with him, and from every angle we worked with him. He was a professional. He helped us in many small things, maybe another real estate wouldn't help, but he did. He was really helpful. And I do remember I was not even at home, I was traveling, but he helped my wife to pack every piece of furniture. So he helped us to move all the furniture. He arranged with the movers to move all the furniture, and he even paid for that. So that was a really big help for us.